guys, representing Maura. Okay, from the city of Tinapawan. Okay, from North Cotabato. Ian Narciso. Okay, makita ninyo sa atong tarpaulin. Ian Narciso ang igala. Okay, pasiganahan ko na ang U-Box na niya gabi, the U-Box boys. Okay, para niya gabi. Okay, para sa okay, pasiganahan na ang mga U-Box boys na niya gabi. No? Okay, ako lang malikon pag maimitar. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are inviting you for the night run o niya, no? Gabi, kita-kits na diri yapon, libre ha, walay bayad. Okay, dala ninyo yung tropa. Okay, guys, I wanna see you. You bring your cell phones kaya para aware pa kayo nga natay documentation. Okay, I understand some of the employees also from Robinsons. Okay, I hope you can join us also tonight, guys. Okay, maayong hapon, and we are so glad to have you as part of the celebration of the 25th City Charter Day sa Dakmayas, Valencia. And according to the mayor earlier, she told us na adunay gitawag og Miss Valencia karong gabi ang mga mammers, no? Okay, mga paldo kayo, cool, sus, no, bugdo kayo. Okay, magkita natin sila unyang gabi live there at the City Gymnasium. Okay, so we are also inviting you for that particular event. But right after that, you can check us out here for the night run for your Venture Vortex, and that's your Extreme 4x4 off-road. Once again, this is your Chopper Man meeting you, and it's my pleasure to have you guys. Okay, music maestro for any time.
Guyod na. Guyod na.